Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, I will share some tips so that you can save your battery performance. So I'm Shafi, you're watching your friend channel without wasting any more time. Let's get started. So guys, tip number one. The tip number one is turn off network connections. So you have to turn off all the network connections like mobile data, NFC, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connections. So all these. So you have to turn on them whenever you need. So whenever you have use with them, then only you have to turn on. So unless you have work with them, then please turn off. So if you on like that, then definitely definitely these network connections will take a lot of battery. So this is tip number one. So guys, tip number two is auto updates. So guys, in Play Store we'll give one option called enable auto updates. So with the help of this option, we can update apps automatically. So here you went to one place. In that place your network is too slow. So at that time, if you get any type of app update, then that app slowly updates. So while slowly it's updating, it will take up to 30 to 40 minutes. So when it's updating up to 30 to 40 minutes, then it will take a lot of charging because mobile data will turn on, and also Play Store and also notification bar. So these three will take a lot of charge, lot of battery. So please avoid this. This is tip number two. So guys, the tip number three is sounds. So guys, let me say clearly. So guys, whenever you will tap on your screen, then you will get sounds like a duk duk, tick tick. So like this here. So whenever you will tap on the screen, then you will get some sound. So all these sounds, you have to disable all these sounds. So if these sounds are enabled, then these sounds also will take some battery because the main reason for mobile is tapping on the screen or touching. The main reason for the mobile is screen. So if you on this sounds one, then it will take a lot of battery. So please turn off this sounds by going to settings, and after going to the settings you will get option directly like a notification sounds or sounds and vibrations. So like that you will get option. So turn off these sounds are very important. This is tip number 3. So guys, tip number 4 is brightness. So guys, you should not use, so guys, don't use auto brightness. So auto brightness is totally waste, and you have to decide your own brightness. So how much brightness I want. So I want this much brightness and I'll keep this much brightness. So like that you have to decide your own self. So keep the brightness your own, but don't keep auto brightness. So this is tip number 4. So yes, tip number 5 is very important. So this is tip number 5, live wallpaper. So guys, so you will give one wallpaper called live wallpaper. Live wallpaper means moving wallpaper. So say this live wallpaper will work from whenever you will power on your mobile and whenever you will power off your mobile. So between this time, every time means for example your mobile is turned on for 7 hours. So this a total 7 hours. This live wallpaper will be on. So this live wallpaper also will take some lot of battery. So because moving now, so moving wallpapers will take some lot of battery, and also some widgets will be, guys. So and also you have to remove some widgets from the screen which is not necessary. So this is a very important. So guys, this is tip number 5. So guys, tip number 6 is very important also. So tip number 6 is which app uses more battery. It means that first you have to go to settings, and after going to the settings you will get an option called battery. So in that battery option you have to see which app. So in that you will see all the apps. So whichever app is first, it means that app is using more battery. It means that you are using that app more, and also with the help of that app you are losing more battery. So like that you have to avoid these apps which are taking more battery. So this is tip number 6. So guys, the last but not the least tip is tip number 7. So the tip number 7 is battery saving mode. So guys, please don't use any type of battery saving modes. Means don't use any type of battery saving applications or apps. So defaultly you will get an option in settings or in your mobile like a battery saving mode. So like this. So you have to on the battery saving mode, but you should not install any type of apps. So this is tip number 7. So guys, these are the tips that I want to share to you. So if you follow these tips correctly, then you will definitely get a lot of change your smartphone. So that's it in this video. I hope you liked this video. Then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you enjoyed, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.